now we are going to do cupping for self-care. So I'm going to first apply some rose hip oil to my face, and then I'm going to go through the self-care procedure with you. So if you want to perform cupping on your own face, I recommend doing it in front of a mirror so that you can see what you're doing. So here we go. Let's get a little bit of oil here. So I'll quickly apply that to my neck. And again, I have already cleaned all of the makeup off of my skin. I'm still wearing a little eye makeup, but I'm not going to cut my eyes, so that's okay. I want to make sure the oil is evenly applied so that the cup doesn't stick anywhere. And you can use any oil that you eat. So really, whatever you have is full of essential fatty acids and great nutrients. So if you put it in your body, you can put it on your face. This is a rosehip oil, so it's especially to rejuvenate the skin and create a nice glow. So I'm gonna again start off just like I did before. I'm gonna start off with my thymus gland. Get that lymphatic circulation going. And then I'm going to work along the neck. And folding and releasing. I just got over a cold, so I can feel the cup doesn't want to move super freely. So this should be very helpful for me. Gliding now there, pretty good glide. And let's stabilize the skin here. Nice, good. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So a study was done recently on cupping the face, and it was done 3 times a week for 2 weeks, and there were really noticeable changes, differences in the fine lines and color in the face. So I know myself, I did a self-care challenge for a week, and I definitely noticed a difference. However, if you don't keep doing it, then you don't see lasting change. This is not a curative treatment. This is something that you have to do regularly. Okay, there we go. Now we've got a nice glide on the neck. Okay. And move on to the underside of the chin. Now I have scars here, so the cups don't move very well. So I'm not even going to try. 2, 3. And again, chin, it's a little tight. And you can see how this tissue is pulling here. So I'm not going to glide the cup. It's not beneficial. So we got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots toward the ear. Last time. Okay, other side. Now we're going to go to the forehead. Yeah, unicorn. And get this under here, get some suction. And we go higher up. Of course, you want to do both sides. And 3 times, 3 to 5 times. I'm going through a quick demo, so I'm only doing 3, and I'm only going to do one side here. So starting now with the cheekbone, so again, light suction. And as I pull the cup, I'm feeling a little bit of pulling here. So I'm gonna stabilize this tissue with my hand. And gently glide toward the ear. And again, if the cup is not moving very well, you can just rotate the cup a little bit as well. And you can reapply as you go. I'm going to try that one with the glass cup. See if we get any better. That's a little better. 1. I really like these. 2. 3. A little higher up. 2, 3, and a little lower down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now I'm going to take the smaller cup and I'm going to work around those fine lines. So I've got some lines here. It's always a little bit difficult in the mirror to find them. Okay, working on these lines here. Times. Now we're going to go under the eyes. Try and brighten up, get a little more circulation there. Tend to get more dark circles under our eyes as we age. Get some age spots, some sun spots. These cups don't seem to get rid of freckles. But they do help with the age spots and the other discolorations. So I wouldn't give up my freckles. And the little lines around the eyes. And just work on those lines. For those of us who didn't wear sunglasses when we were young, we may have some lines going vertical or horizontal here. You just want to work on those as well. Okay, so that's the basic principle of self-cupping for cosmetic. You can see all the nice little redness around my face. That will all dissipate within the next few minutes, and my skin will be left with a nice glow about it, which is just lovely. Just remember, do not leave the cup stationary on your face. You don't want to give yourself cupping marks. It's the last thing we want. We're trying to brighten up our skin, not damage it. So make sure you always keep those cups moving when you're working on your face.